Hey there, I thought I'd make a little video clip of my potted plant garden this year. Those used to be habaneros. Each one's got one left on it. Those two plants on the right are big Thai pepper plants. They're just as good as a regular size one. They make great Szechuan chicken and General Tso's chicken and Szechuan beef. And all my tomato plants are Cherokees this year. There's 3 over there. They still got 1 or 2 little tomatoes on them. Down here is cayenne peppers in a pot with 2 more Cherokee plants. I see 2 more tomatoes about to get just a little bigger and turn red. And I've got a Cherokee on the deck here that got really big, like 6 feet tall, and then the weight of tomatoes being on the branches bent them over the top of the cage. But tomato plants can handle that pretty much. And there's 3 more tomatoes there. So yeah, it's a nice like 70-some degree day on November 4th here in Ohio. But there's no such thing as global warming. LOL. Everybody have a great day.